Hello, my name is Cassius Christie, and today I'm going to be doing my video on hashtags. Some people may ask, what are hashtags? Hashtag is a word or phrase preceded by a hash or the pound sign and used to identify messages on a specific topic. So this weekend is actually NBA All-Star Weekend. So the hashtag I chose to research was the NBA All-Star hashtag. And what I did was I looked up the NBA All-Star hashtag on Instagram, on Facebook, and Twitter. As you can see on Facebook, I actually had to be a little bit more direct and type in NBA All-Star 2018, but it's all the same thing. So another thing I decided to do was go on Hashtagify Me and look at all the, anything associated with the NBA All-Star hashtag. So as you can see, the popularity is 60%, recent popularity is 47%. Mind you, All-Star Weekend just started today. It's only Friday. The main NBA All-Star game is on Sunday, so I bet that there will be, more people tweeting and posting things related to NBA All-Star Weekend. Related hashtags: LeBron James, NBA ballot, free, NBA All-Star, NBA vote, hashtag NBA. The influencers, the NBA, Bleacher Report, the Warriors, Sports Center. And as you can see, there's a chart. 4 weeks ago, there was no tweets about this thing. And as it got closer and closer, the chart actually started to increase, and now it's going back up. And I expect it to skyrocket once, the dunk contest happens on Saturday night and the actual game happens on Sunday. Top languages used: English, 5% Spanish, 4% unrecognized, and I want to show you guys the chart. So as you can see, majority of the tweets are actually coming from the US, not just tweets, photos and whatever else is related to NBA All-Star Weekend. Tweet wall, you have things, from LeBron James, the NBA itself, another NBA tweet, Kevin Durant. Literally, this is just everything that's going on in All-Star Weekend right now will be on this wall. Another thing I decided to do was create a Wordle. So I took some of the top tweets and posts and comments from Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and I posted them into the word cloud. And of course, as you can see, the biggest one is NBA All-Star, because that's the one that, is literally the hashtag NBA All-Star. A little another one, this is the Facebook hashtag NBA All-Star 2018. Got some @names in there. Lil Uzi Vert, he performed at halftime. American Express, that was the actual halftime show. Jamie Foxx, he was around there. Joel Embiid, NBA. What actually surprised me was that LA was one of the smaller words in my word cloud, and I was surprised because that's the actual location of NBA All-Star Weekend. So I would expect that that word would be a little bit bigger than some of these other irrelevant words. My response: honestly, this hashtag is very straightforward. All-Star Weekend is upon us, and in the hashtags podcast that I once listened to, it said that the hashtags are just supposed to be like one. The one hashtag is good because it will give you the most out of it. You'll actually generate the most media from it, and you will see the most media from it, instead of just linking a few hashtags to one tweet or to one Instagram post. That concludes today's video. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.